Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can make a factory data reset with the Samsung Galaxy S10e. So first of all, you have to turn off your device, and then if it's completely off, we need the power button, the volume up button and the Bixby button. And these three buttons press for the same time and hold it and hold it and hold it until you see that here. And then we will see very soon Android. There he is, hello Android, and now we cannot use our finger here, it just works with the buttons. So volume down button is going down, volume up button is going up, and we confirm with the power button. Okay, let's go now to wipe data factory reset because we want to do that, and confirm with the power button as I said. And he's asking now if we're really sure. Yes, we are. So we go down, confirm. And now he's making a reset, takes a few seconds. Now we are back, and now we reboot the system. We're already there, so we confirm with the power button, and that procedure now takes a few minutes. This is the long-term feature here, and yeah, after your data is gone, of course, and you can resell it and so on, and the new owner or you have to enter now again the Google email address and the Samsung account and so on if you want to use that. And yeah, that's it. So very easy. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. It would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or may just subscribe me. It would be a pleasure to see you again, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.